Austin is our shepherd, our leader today.
No brakes.
That's right, no brakes. Doing a 14er. Kind of rough after a weekend of drinking, right, Jagan? Yeah, do not advise doing a 14er after drinking all weekend. But here we are.
Tories is on the right. Dude, look. Here
Grays, Tories. We're going that way, but I think we're gonna hang out and eat, right? Well, I'm probably gonna eat. So little break. Chicken salad. Chicken salad's so good. We made it to the top.
Not the move today.
Right, Jimmy?
We did. We're here.
I feel
Top of Colorado.
What's that one?
I have nacho cheese and pizza.
Oh yeah,
Those
mine's
are-
the extra cheesy one.
The nachos.
Oh,
No.
nachos are mine.
I've had Uncrustable at the top
I do
of
have
every
one.
14er I've done.
I have one.
Aww.
This is my profile picture on Facebook is me holding one of these at the top.
It's the good stuff. The good.
Yeah, I'm a Colorado native.
It's extra cheesy.
There you go.
I normally don't like Ambers, but for the sake of
Oh, I love Ambers. What do you usually drink?
Oh yeah. That's just
Miller Lite.
You disgust me.
pizza.
Chicken?
Do we have a microwave we can heat this up in?
Yeah. Let me grab it.
Let me just pull it out.
Give me a second.
I want to break open those Sour Patch Kids. That's
Open
gonna
it.
be crazy.
Open them.
Do the one next to it, yeah.
Dude, this is like a freaking feast. I usually have like
It's a party.
banana.
They brought their food too.
Mine's in the Tupperware. Smart.
Here we go. What are we saying?
I don't know.
114er only on 3. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
114er only. Well, we're on the descent now.
Not forgetting anything. Everyone's got their phones, gloves.
I believe so. One of the descent should take us about 2 hours? 30 minutes, Jimmy says.
I feel like
Where's the clock?
Better run. Why did you make that noise? Why did you make that noise?
Oh my God, teen!
I know.
What a pro!
I don't know if Miller Industry though.
Yeah.
No, it's, yeah, Austin wins.
Goldilocks and the 3 gunners. Right here.
Finally chew.
I can just swallow it.
Gone for 90 days, back in time, don't waste away. I won't. Where you going, where you go? Dreadful things up in my skull, and I try not to let them lead on my way inside your beast. Where you going? landslide. Don't let me down, got my hands high. We fall and I might lost counting these dollars you fought from best.
Big time, Chig. Hell yeah. That's right.
Easiest 14 of my life.
That's right. Chagan wasn't struggling at all.
No altitude sickness here.
We're on the way back from our 14er, and we went to Bojo's in Idaho Springs. Pizza, very good. We had cheesy bread with honey, super good, right?
Catch you on the plane.
No, bitch, we're not even close. We might not. Now we'll make our plane.
You're not gonna miss it.
And then we had 2 pizzas. One was the Mother Load. The other one was Dude Ranch. Both super good.
And man, mother, definitely loaded on that shit.
Yeah. And then now we have to get back in the car. But I feel energized. There's a new revamped yeah. It's like my head doesn't hurt. My head doesn't hurt. I'm like ready to go. Fuck it. All of a sudden, you know, we didn't go to the airport. Let's just do it again.
My head feels.
Thank you for the invite.
See you, buddy.
Hey, good work, y'all.
Thank you for the day, sir.
Thank you for driving.
Good to see you.
I'll see you.
Who knows when I'll see you?
Shut up. Literally see you in 2 weeks. All right, we just said bye to Jimmy. Now we have to go to our gate. All the way across the airport. But overall, it was a really fun weekend. Played disc golf Friday, super fun. And then we played frisbee. Didn't win the game, that's whatever. But had a good time outside of frisbee. And then today we did a 14er. And I hung out with Chagan, Kylie, and Austin, and Jimmy. And it was a grand old time. And now we have to go home. So, with that, peace, and I'll catch you later.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up this